Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is December the 17th, 2020, and we had a really big winter storm come through. We got about 17 inches of snow, and I'm in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, so we have a winter wonderland here. So some of the snow is actually already starting to melt. See the burning bush there? There's the garden there. I can see a little bit of the Brussels sprout plants, but not too much of them. Now it's a real light fluffy snow, which we're really happy about that. So I have to watch. I can't walk through the high snow because it's just too deep for me to get through, and I have to watch where I walk where it's plowed, because it's starting to get slippery. It's only like in the 20s here, but it actually doesn't feel that cold. So you can see here how deep the snow is on the greenhouses now. On the second greenhouse, which is the long one in the back over there, that one there, there's actually more snow on the other side, so it's pretty deep. You actually can't even get in between the greenhouses right now at all, because that's how deep the snow is. So I'd love to take you out and show you what the pines look like with all the snow, but the driveway's just getting too slippery, and I don't want to fall. So I hope you enjoyed the little mini winter wonderland tour. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!